My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the online scam that comes from the site keepsafetycore.com. So, keepsafetycore.com is a deceptive website that displays pretty scary content, and it's similar to many other deceptive sites like that. KeepSafetyCore.com tries to trick you into clicking on the allow button also. And if you do that by mistake, you may start getting a lot of pop-ups that will be attacking your screen periodically with multiple advertisements. KeepSafetyCore.com tries to mislead you and to trick you into clicking on this proceed button. The pop-up displays a lot of frustrating messages that try to encourage people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. You should be very careful not to click on this proceed button because, as I said, you may be redirected to some other questionable websites that may promote some other totally different program, and this is a fake security program. It is not related to any decent protection. So be careful not to interact with all these misleading and deceptive pop-ups by keepsafetycore.com. The only correct solution is to leave this page and disregard its content. Now, if you also have clicked on allow button, you should fix your browser by accessing the menu, settings, choose privacy and security, then site settings. In permissions, select notifications and remove this malicious site from the list and remove other junk sites from this list. There is a great program that can help you do that automatically. The program is called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.